I am so excited. I'm so nervous. I'm so happy. I'm so anxious because this is my first ever YouTube video. I cannot tell you how long I've been waiting to do this, and I've been dying to say these words. So here it comes. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And since this is my first YouTube video, obviously nobody knows me. So let me introduce myself. Hi, my name is Glory. I am 21 years old, and honestly there is nothing really interesting about me until you know me well enough to find me interesting. So anyways, coming back to the video, today is going to be my first ever solo date. Very bold for me to do two things I've never done before for the first time. What if I fail miserably at both of them? But what if I do a pretty good job? I guess we'll find out. If I actually post this video, I am going to be so proud of myself for doing this. Okay, enough of me talking. I think we should get out of the house and start our solo date, I guess. Let's go. Okay, so here we go. I got all ready and I got in an auto. Here's a little fit check. I had taken so much effort to style my hair only for my hair to do this. Wow. The whole auto ride I was so nervous. But anyways, I reached there and I was questioning if I should go home or not. But I convinced myself that if I have the courage to come here, I would not let that go waste. So this is the very famous Mokai Cafe in Bandra. Nobody from Mumbai would not know this place. As soon as I entered inside, everybody was staring at me as if I'm an alien. I still don't know why. I pretended as if I did not care and went ahead to ask for a table for one, and luckily I got a corner seat. I was so grateful for that. The place and the ambience was amazing. I really loved it. When I tell you I am the most indecisive person ever, you believe me, because when the time came to order food, I could not decide what to order. I took a lot of time to order, but then I ended up ordering two things: a Vietnamese latte and some sort of like peanut noodles. I forgot the name. I still don't know why I ordered that, but talking about the taste, it was okay, like not that great. Like I was just having it because I had ordered it. By this time I had actually gotten very comfortable with everything. I wasn't really that nervous or anxious anymore. And what am I if I am not clumsy? I dropped it on my pants and it got stained as well. But anyways, I kept on eating. But soon enough I realized that I wasn't going to be able to complete the whole thing. Now I don't know if it was the food or it was me, but I was so done with it. I was feeling sick inside my stomach, so I wasn't able to finish my food. So much so that the serving person came up to me and asked me if I was okay or if the food was spicy and all. But I was like, no, it's fine. Can you please pack the rest of it? And then I got it packed, and this is me crashing out in the washroom. The washroom was crazy though. This is how it was looking, and with the lights and all, it was very cool actually. And then it was time for me to leave this place. I still was admiring the place because it was so beautifully decorated. I was there for quite a long time actually. Then I came outside and sat there for a bit, processing what just happened right now, collecting all my thoughts together. Then I was just walking around on the streets of Bandra looking at these beautiful places. And then it was time to go home, so I took another auto while going. The sky looked so pretty. Hi there. It has been just 2 days since my first solo date, and And you won't believe, today I'm on another solo date. That is crazy for somebody like me. I was eager to go on another solo date. So here I am. Let's see how this goes. Okay, so here we go again. This time I took a train to the place. I'm nervous again, but I'm very excited to do this once again. This time I had chosen a place which was a little less intimidating than the previous one. This was a South Indian restaurant. I was really wanting to have some good dosa. That is why I had chosen this place. This was really chill. I went there, I ordered for my food. The food arrived. It looked really good. The place was amazing. The food was nice. I loved it. I completed the food and I did enjoy it as well. I wasn't really nervous or anxious this time. I was much more confident. I did not even need a corner seat this time. And then it was time for me to leave. After that, I went for a walk and I admired things that I would usually ignore. Paid attention to every single detail around me, and this was such a calming experience. Here is again a little fit check. Later I went to a cake shop to get some brownies for my family. And then it was time to go back home. Hi again, and finally let's talk about it. In this week, I've been on 2 solo dates. Never could have imagined this happening, but I am so proud of myself that I was able to do this without any pressure. I myself genuinely wanted to do this. After the first date, I did not really expect to go on a second date within like just 2-3 days, but it all happened. I was eager to go on another date and I did, which I am very happy for. Let me share my experience and let's see. So my first solo date, it was, and like as an overall experience, I'd say it was pretty good. I liked it. I was nervous for sure, but honestly the experience was a bit exhausting for me because I had never done anything such. What I mean is I did not do anything which was like tiring, but I was still tired because I did something which was out of my comfort zone. But I don't really regret it. I loved the experience. It was a bold move for me, yes, for sure, but yeah, I loved it. Talking about the second solo date, it had just been 2 days since my first date and I was wanting to go on another date, and I loved this experience also. This was much more calm. This wasn't exhausting, this wasn't tiring, and I liked it way more. Second date was comparatively much better. Now I'm not sure why the difference, maybe because I had already experienced my first date, or was it the place, or was it the people, or was it the food? I am not sure. And yeah, that was my experience. Also, I vlogged on both of the dates, which I wasn't really expecting myself to do, but I did took out the camera, I did place it, I did record myself, and people looked at me. People might have judged me, but I did it anyways, which is a great progress for myself. Also, one thing what happened was, both of the places I did not like speak anything because there was nobody to speak to. So what I did was I opened my notes app and I was constantly typing whatever I was feeling at that moment. Like, now I've ordered it, now I'm eating, now I am feeling nervous, now I am okay, now I am confident. every emotion I noted it down. This was for myself so that I can analyze how I react in situations like these, and I think I did a pretty good job at it, and I am really happy with what I did. To anybody watching this who are like me, who are anxious, who are nervous, who are scared of being alone, take it from someone like me. This is something everybody should experience, especially people like me. I know it is hard, I know it looks scary, but once you do it, it is the best thing ever. For me, I feel now I can do many more things alone, which I've always been scared to do. But yeah, now I can do it. You can too if you just take that one step. You can figure out everything. You do not need to depend on anybody else for stuff that you want to do. All I can say is that this is an experience worth trying. You should try, you should definitely try. I would definitely recommend going on a solo date for everybody. I am so happy. And yeah, I guess that was it for my solo date experience, and I would love to go on many more coming forward, and I would want to vlog it as well. So let me know if you all want to see more of this. Also suggest me what kind of videos you all want from me. I am open to a lot of things. I am so glad that you made this far watching my solo date experience. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please subscribe. I would really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next one, I guess. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.